Remove the temporary restoration. Clean preparation with a polishing brush and fluoride-free cleaning paste, such as a fluoride-free Proxit. This ensures that all temporary cement residues are removed. Rinse the preparation with water spray and dry it with water and oil-free air. For optimum aesthetic results, use Variolink aesthetic try-on pastes to evaluate the shade of the restoration. When trying in the permanent restoration, check the shade effect, accuracy of fit, and occlusion of the restoration. Thoroughly rinse off the try-on paste with water spray after try-on and dry the preparation with water and oil-free air. Etch the bonding surface of the IPS E-Max restoration with 5% hydrofluoric acid, for example, ceramic etching gel, for 20 seconds. Rinse off the etching gel and dry the restoration. If the restoration was etched in the laboratory, clean the bonding surface with Ivoclar. For this purpose, apply Ivoclar to the entire bonding surface and leave it to react for 20 seconds. Then rinse off Ivoclar and dry the restoration. Apply Monobond Plus bonding agent to the pre-treated surfaces with a brush or microbrush and allow it to react for 60 seconds. Disperse any excess with a strong stream of air. When an adhesive luting protocol with composites is used, reliable isolation of the operating field is indispensable. Preferably place an atomically shaped rubber dam such as the Optrodam, or alternatively, use cotton rolls and a saliva ejector. Clean the preparation again with a polishing brush and a fluoride-free cleaning paste such as the fluoride-free Proxit. Rinse the preparation with water spray and dry it with air. Avoid over-drying. Apply phosphoric acid gel, for example, Total Etch, to the enamel and allow it to react for 15 to 30 seconds. Thoroughly rinse off the gel with a vigorous stream of water and air dry the preparation until the enamel surfaces appear chalky white. Coat the entire bonding surface with Adhesive Universal and scrub the adhesive in for 20 seconds. Disperse excess amounts of Adhesive Universal with a stream of air until the mobile liquid film has disappeared. Make sure to avoid pooling. Light cure Adhesive Universal for 10 seconds using a curing light with a light intensity of at least 500 milliwatts per square centimeter, for example, blue phase style. Apply the desired amount of Variolink Aesthetic LC directly from the syringe onto the restoration. Seat the restoration and retain it in place, exerting uniform pressure. Light cure cement excess using the blue phase style, for example. Start with the palatal surface and move the light guide in a circle along the entire cement line in the course of 2 seconds. Make sure that the distance between the light probe and the restoration is between 10 and 15 millimeters. The gel-like excess can then be easily removed with the scaler and in proximal areas with dental floss. Like all other composite resins, Variolink Aesthetic LC is subject to oxygen inhibition. To counteract this effect, cover the restoration margins with glycerin gel or air block immediately after having removed the excess cement. Liquid strip is an ideal product for this purpose. Light cure all cement lines again for 10 seconds per segment and per millimeter ceramic, using, for example, blue phase style at a light intensity of 1,100 milliwatts per square centimeter. Rinse off liquid strip. Finish the proximal surfaces using finishing and polishing strips. After having removed the rubber dam, check occlusion and functional movements, and make adjustments if necessary. Polish the restoration margins with polishers, such as Astropol or with discs. As a final step, apply a thin layer of floor protection S with a Viva brush or a conventional brush. Use the air syringe to disperse and dry the varnish.